This is the heartbreaking story of the first phone call. How the word hello became a standard phone call greeting. We use it 100 times a day. It's the simplest greeting, the instant key to connection. We pick up the phone and say, hello. But what if I told you the very first words ever spoken across this revolutionary machine weren't a greeting at all? The year was 1876. The air was thick with electricity and the smell of invention. Alexander Graham Bell, a man driven not by money but by a deep personal need to help the world hear, was at his wits' end. His lab was a mess of wires and chemicals. Bell's true work was helping the deaf. He was an instructor, and his mother and wife were both hard of hearing. But on this pivotal day, he wasn't thinking about communication theory. He was thinking about pain. In his exhaustion, Bell spilled the battery acid onto his clothes, scalding himself. He was hurt, he was alone, and he was desperate. He didn't have time for formalities. He didn't have time for a greeting. He simply cried out, and it was this involuntary plea that became the first successful transmission of human speech. "Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you." The birth of telecommunications wasn't a celebratory eureka moment. It was an urgent call for help. It was a cry of human vulnerability. It reminds us that at its core, this incredible technology was built for one simple, profound reason: to close the distance between two people in need. You might be wondering, if Bell didn't say hello, then why do we? The answer is Thomas Edison. When the telephone began to be commercialized, Edison strongly suggested that hello was the clearest, most efficient word to confirm the line was open. Bell actually preferred the nautical term ahoy. Imagine answering the phone with ahoy. The next time your phone rings, remember Bell's desperation and his urgent plea for connection. In a world of texts and emails, take a moment. Don't just rush the conversation. Be present. Use this incredible technology to truly say, I hear you, I see you, and I'm here for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.